Oh, hi! Slow Cooker Sunday is here, and today we're taking it back to breakfast with one of the most delicious slow cooker recipes today. This recipe will not just make your mouth water, but will also make your macros happy and keep you full too. So let's just jump right into it. Start with your optionally lined for easy cleanup slow cooker. Just add into it 1.5 cups of steel cut oats, 3 tablespoons of almond flour, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, 4 scoops of a vanilla Labrada Nutrition protein powder. Today I'm using 100% whey, which you can check out below. 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, a little salt, 2 large beaten whole eggs, 6 cups of a milk or milk substitute, 2 containers of a vanilla Greek yogurt, 2 tablespoons melted butter. Go ahead and mix all of those up until most of your clumps are gone. Should look like this. Next, open up your favorite cinnamon bun dough, preferably a lower sugar, lower calorie one, and break up 2 or 3 of them into your mix. Lightly mix those pieces in, pour a little sugar-free syrup on top, cover your slow cooker, and cook it on low for 7 to 8 hours or high for 3 to 4 hours. You'll know when it's done because it'll look like this. Now, if you've made it this far, here are a couple of my tips. 1, I usually portion this out into 6 servings, and each serving has over 30 grams of protein. 2, it tastes great either cold or heated up in the microwave for a minute or 2. 3, links to my meal prep containers or slow cooker, which are both affordable, are down below in the description or on my website, theproteinchef.co. And 4, your macros will allow for it. Top your dish with some Cinnamon Crunch cereal. And a question before we end this. Why do you guys use a slow cooker? Do you not have a stove? Is it because all of the recipes are pretty easy? You just like how the recipes come out? Let me know in the comments below. I'm curious since we could jump into other recipes for it, but it depends on why the majority of you use your slow cooker. All right, with that, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out Labrada Nutrition below. Subscribe if you haven't already, turn on notifications so you never miss another slow cooker recipe, tag me at The Protein Chef, promise we're almost done, and use the hashtag SlowCookerSunday so I can feature you. And of course, stay healthy.